BMW engines almost never fail without warning. They warn you quietly, subtly, and repeatedly long before the damage becomes catastrophic. The problem is not that BMW engines are fragile, but that most drivers misunderstand what their cars are trying to communicate. Warning lights are not random, and they are not designed to scare you or push you into unnecessary repairs. They exist to protect extremely precise machinery that operates under high pressure, high temperature, and very tight tolerances. Unfortunately, many BMW owners panic over harmless alerts while ignoring the warnings that actually destroy engines. And this confusion is what leads to massive repair bills that feel sudden but are actually the result of months of neglect. If you drive a BMW, whether petrol or diesel, turbocharged or naturally aspirated, understanding warning lights is one of the most important skills you can develop as an owner. This episode is not about dashboard fear or dealership myths. It is about engine survival and knowing exactly when to stop, when to slow down, and when you can continue driving calmly while planning a repair. If your goal is to keep your BMW running strong well beyond 200,000 miles instead of just until the warranty expires, this knowledge can literally save your engine. One of the most dangerous and misunderstood warnings in any BMW is the oil pressure warning light. This is not the same as an oil level message, and confusing the two is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. Oil pressure is the lifeblood of the engine. It ensures that bearings, camshafts, timing components, and turbochargers receive a constant film of lubrication. When the oil pressure warning appears, it means that oil is not reaching critical components properly. At that moment, damage begins immediately, even if the engine sounds normal and the car still drives. Many BMW engines that are described as having randomly seized were actually driven for just a few minutes with insufficient oil pressure. Those minutes are enough to score bearings, overheat turbo shafts, and permanently damage internal components. When an oil pressure warning appears, the correct response is always the same. Shut the engine off as soon as it is safe to do so and investigate. This warning is never optional, never harmless, and never something you should try to drive through. Another critical warning is engine overheating. Modern BMW engines are designed to operate within very tight temperature tolerances. Overheating can cause severe damage, including warped cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, and even complete engine seizure. Unlike older cars, a BMW's temperature gauge might not immediately show a problem. The car's computer will often try to manage temperatures by reducing power or running the cooling fan at maximum speed. By the time a red temperature warning appears, the engine is already in distress. Just like with oil pressure, if you see a red temperature warning, pull over immediately and shut off the engine. Do not try to limp home or drive to a garage. The cost of a tow is always less than the cost of a new engine. The check engine light, or malfunction indicator lamp, is probably the most common and often misunderstood warning. It can indicate anything from a loose gas cap to a catastrophic engine failure. The key to understanding the check engine light is whether it is steady or flashing. A steady check engine light usually means there is a problem that needs attention soon, but it is not an immediate emergency. You can typically continue driving to your destination or a service center, but you should get it checked out as soon as possible. Common causes include a faulty oxygen sensor, a failing catalytic converter, or a minor emissions leak. While not immediately dangerous, ignoring a steady check engine light can lead to reduced fuel economy, increased emissions, and eventually more serious damage. A flashing check engine light, however, is a serious warning that indicates an active misfire or another severe issue that could be causing immediate damage to the catalytic converter. When this light flashes, you should reduce power, avoid hard acceleration, and get to a safe place to stop the car as soon as possible. Continuing to drive with a flashing check engine light can quickly lead to thousands of dollars in catalytic converter damage. For diesel BMWs, the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, warning light is crucial. The DPF traps soot from the exhaust, and it needs to regenerate periodically by burning off this soot at high temperatures. If you primarily do short trips or city driving, the DPF might not get hot enough to regenerate, leading to a buildup of soot and eventually a clogged filter. A DPF warning light often means the filter is getting clogged and needs a regeneration cycle. You can sometimes clear this by driving on a highway at a consistent speed for 20 to 30 minutes. If the light persists, it needs professional attention. Ignoring it can lead to a severely clogged DPF, which is an expensive repair. Limp mode, or reduced power mode, is not a warning light itself, but a protective measure taken by the car's computer. When the car detects a serious fault that could cause further damage, it will limit engine power, often restricting RPMs and speed. This is designed to allow you to safely get off the road or to a service center without completely destroying the engine. While it can be frustrating, limp mode is your car's way of telling you to stop driving and get it checked immediately. The oil level warning, often a yellow light or a message on the iDrive screen, is different from the oil pressure warning. This means your engine is low on oil, but not necessarily that there's an immediate pressure problem. While you should add oil as soon as possible, it's generally safe to drive for a short period to get to a store or service station. However, consistently driving with low oil can lead to premature engine wear, so don't ignore it for long. Battery and electrical warnings can be confusing. A battery light usually indicates a problem with the charging system, such as a failing alternator rather than just a dead battery. If this light comes on, your car is running solely on battery power, and it will eventually die. You should get it checked immediately. Other electrical warnings might indicate issues with sensors, wiring, or control modules, which can affect various systems from ABS to airbags. Service reminders are not warning lights in the traditional sense, but they are important. These lights or messages indicate that your car is due for scheduled maintenance, such as an oil change, brake fluid flush, or inspection. Ignoring service reminders can lead to accelerated wear and tear, reduced performance, and eventually more serious problems that could have been prevented. Other temperature warnings might appear for components like the transmission or differential. While not as immediately critical as engine overheating, these warnings indicate that a component is operating outside its optimal temperature range. This can lead to premature wear and reduced lifespan. It's always best to investigate these warnings promptly to prevent costly repairs down the line. Finally, understanding the difference between red and yellow warnings is key. Red warnings are critical and demand immediate attention. They indicate a severe problem that could lead to immediate damage or safety issues. Yellow warnings are cautionary. They mean there's a problem that needs attention soon, but it's not an emergency. You can usually continue driving cautiously, but you should get it checked as soon as possible. Listening to your BMW and understanding its warnings is not just about avoiding repair bills. It's about preserving the engineering marvel that is your vehicle. By paying attention to these subtle communications, you can ensure your BMW continues to deliver the ultimate driving experience for hundreds of thousands of miles to come. Red warnings are critical and demand immediate attention. They indicate a severe problem that could lead to immediate damage or safety issues. Yellow warnings are cautionary. They mean there's a problem that needs attention soon, but it's not an emergency. You can usually continue driving cautiously, but you should get it checked as soon as possible. By paying attention to these subtle communications, you can ensure your BMW continues to deliver the ultimate driving experience for hundreds of thousands of miles to come.